students, how are you? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Okay, so we will solve our textbook exercise of English Treasure textbook, that is chapter number 1. Right, we will solve our textbook exercise chapter number 1, that is the flying south. Okay, so we will solve in page number 8, vocabulary. Okay, let us see. Read the words from the story, that is costly. Okay, when the group of letter ly is added to the word cost, the meaning of the word changes from price of something to expensive. Ly is suffix. Okay, if this ly word, okay, so cost, what do you mean by cost? What is cost? The cost or the price of something. Okay, like I have a pencil, of this pencil is of cost 15 rupees. This is the cost. Okay, and if we add ly, so it means costly means expensive, महंगा जो बोलते हैं. Okay, पहले price, what is price, and after that if I add ly to the cost, that word, that will become costly. Though two अलग meanings. Okay, so that is in after what we ly is suffix. So what is suffix? Let's see. A suffix is a letter or group of letters that is added to a word to form a new word with a different meaning. A suffix, what do you mean by suffix? Suffix means a letter added to a word after. Okay, एक word के बाद लगना, right, with a different meaning. Like study of this table, like word is comfort. If I add suffix after the which letter is given, after that if I add, what is the new word? Comfortable. These two words are added it up, right? Thank, then suffix ful, full, thankful, right? Fear, less. Okay, then what is prefix? Is the letter or group of letter that is added to the beginning of the word. If the letter is given and it is added at beginning, like the word is like, and prefix, that's why it's written first, suffix written after the word and prefix is written before the word, right? So unlike. Dish and word is respect, disrespect. Misunderstood, that is misunderstood. Let us solve exercise number 8, then you can know. Take the correct suffix from each word, then write the new words. One has been done for you. So here what is given? Joy and able and full is given. So joyful. Laugh. So what will be written? Suffix. If suffix is given, so you will write laugh. नहीं होगा, laughter, right? Slow, what you will write? Slow and IEV, no word, so what you will write? ly, slowly. Rest you will do it by yourself. Then choose the prefix from the box and add it to the beginning of the word. So one is done, midway. Second is dash plug. So what you write? Unplug. Water, that is underwater. Underwater. Right? Rest you will do it by yourself. Let us see grammar part. Read the sentence from the story. The other geese in the flock will take him in. The word talk is used to talk about group of birds. Group of collective of noun. A group of birds is called flock. The collective noun is the name of the group of people, animal, thing. What is collective noun? Noun, you know. Noun means any name plus animal thing. And collective noun means group of people, animal, thing. like a band of musicians, a cluster of cats, a litter of puppies, a fleet of ships. So we can see here. Look at the picture, fill in the blanks with correct collective noun. Okay, so a dash of bees means you have to write in collective noun, that is swarm or pack. So a swarm of bees. The number 2, dash troop band of dancers. A troop of dancers. Rest 2 you will do it by yourself. And next, fill in the blanks with collective noun from the box. A dash of lions was lazing around near the cave. So you will find it and write it. Okay, let us see. So a pride of lions. Rest you will do it by yourself. Okay, now let us see what is punctuation. You know, in sentence you have learned what is punctuation. Punctuation is question marks, full stop, exclamation mark. These are called punctuation mark. Okay, we end a sentence that make a statement with full stop, ends with a question mark or exclamation mark. So rewrite the correct punctuation over here. I saw a beautiful bird on that tree. You have to rewrite it. This is also you will be do it by yourself. Okay, so complete the textbook exercise. Okay, and thank you everyone.